prison. Cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. I find it so hard knowing you treating me like a mom. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor.